Okay, so my work in number 5 was glitched. Let's take a look at this. First, you apply Gauss-Jordan to the system. Okay, so once I've done that, I can recognize that the rank of A, which is 3, is equal to the rank of the augmented matrix, which is also 3, and both of those are less than n, which is 5. All right, so there you go. All right, so this means that I have infinitely many solutions. So the first thing that we look at is what happens when I solve the homogeneous version of this system of equations, which is where I have the 0 vector for the b vector. And, oops, not -8 there. That should be 0 because this is solving the homogeneous one. All right, so that solution, the solution is very similar to the non-homogeneous solution. It's just that because the columns are independent, that last column comes up as a column of zeros. Okay, so if you read this solution, you get x1 plus 2x2 minus 5x5 is 0. You get that x3 plus 6x5 is 0, and you get that x4 plus 4x5 is 0. Okay, so there's two free variables here. There's the x2 and the x5. So what we do is we let x2 equal t, we let x5 equal s, which is going to give me this system of equations. It's going to give me that x1 is -2t plus 5s. x2 we know is just t. x3 becomes -6s. x4 is -4s. And x5 is just s, which means that all of the homogeneous solutions have to be of the form t times -2, 1, 3 zeros plus s times 5, 0, -6, -4, 1, which is very different than the answer that I had put up earlier, because the answer that I put up earlier is completely wrong. All right, so now to get the particular solution, you look at the columns. So this is the x1 column. This is the x3 column. This is the x4 column. So we know that x1 is 1. We don't have a value for x2, so it's 0. We know that x3 in the particular solution is 2. x4 in the particular solution is -3. We don't have a value for x5, so it is 0. So the general solution is going to be the homogeneous solution that I have here in terms of s and t, plus the particular solution, which is this 1, 0, 2, negative 3, 0. This is the trusted answer. I am so sorry that the other one was glitchy. Please ignore the one that I put up earlier for number 5. Probably was doing it a little bit tired and all of that, but I hope this helps. So there you go. Thank you.